there, tea lovers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Vitality Plus. Today we've got something special for you, a topic that not only warms your soul, but also nourishes your kidneys. We're talking about the 6 best herbal teas for home remedies to boost kidney repair. So grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's dive into the world of herbal goodness. Before talking about the teas, let's take a moment to appreciate our kidneys, the unsung heroes working round the clock to keep us in balance. Kidneys are no less than your body's filtration system, clearing out the waste and extra stuff that we don't need. They remain backstage, ensuring everything runs smoothly in your body. So, as we explore these teas, think of it as giving your kidneys a spa day. We are talking about gentle cleanses, soothing sessions, and overall TLC. It's like telling your kidneys, hey, we see you, we appreciate you, and here's a little something special just for you. So grab your favorite mug because the adventure into the world of kidney-loving herbal teas is about to begin. Number 1, Dandelion Tea. Let's kick off our journey into kidney-soothing teas with the unassuming yet powerful Dandelion Tea. Those familiar yellow flowers that dot your backyard? Well, they are not just pretty to look at, they can work wonders for your kidneys. Dandelion tea comes with a remarkable ability. It acts as a natural diuretic. All it means is that this tea helps your kidneys do a fantastic job of flushing out toxins from your system. It's like giving your internal filters a gentle, refreshing cleanse. It allows your kidneys to let go of the stress and toxins they have been holding on to. Number 2, nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea is a beverage that might just leave you amazed. Have you ever heard of it? If not, get ready for a delightful surprise. Nettle leaves, the unsung heroes of herbal teas, are packed with a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals that do wonders for your kidneys. Each sip of nettle leaf tea is like treating your kidneys to a nutrient-packed elixir. These leaves aren't just about flavor. They're loaded with goodness that supports your kidney health. Nettle tea steps up to the plate by reducing inflammation and ensuring your kidneys function at their best. Nettle leaf tea brings a unique, earthy flavor to your cup. It's like taking a sip of nature's goodness, a perfect harmony of health and taste. Number 3, ginger tea. Ah, the comforting embrace of ginger tea, a beloved favorite for many. But here's the exciting twist. It's not just about the warmth and flavor. Ginger tea, besides being a delightful beverage, boasts some superhero qualities for your kidneys. Imagine this. Each sip is like a soothing balm for your kidneys. Ginger brings with it powerful anti-inflammatory properties that work their magic, offering relief to those hardworking organs. It's like a gentle massage for your insides. And that's not all. Ginger tea is a fantastic aid to digestion. By keeping things running smoothly in your stomach, it ensures your kidneys aren't burdened with unnecessary waste. So, not only does it spice up your life with its zesty flavor, but it also adds a kick of support for your kidney health. Number 4, parsley tea. Let's shift our focus to a herb that's more than just a plate garnish. Parsley. Believe it or not, parsley isn't just a pretty addition to your meals, it's also a kidney-loving hero. Enter parsley tea, a delightful concoction celebrated for its diuretic properties, making it a fantastic friend to your kidneys. Imagine this tea as a mini spa day for your hardworking kidneys. The diuretic nature of parsley tea lends a helping hand to your kidneys, assisting them in letting go of excess fluids and toxins. It's like a gentle cleanse, offering your kidneys the opportunity to refresh and rejuvenate. Number 5, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not just any tea, it's a burst of color and a bundle of benefits for your kidneys. As you sip on this delightful infusion, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving your kidneys a reason to smile. Hibiscus tea is like a colorful symphony in a cup, but its magic goes beyond aesthetics. Packed with antioxidants, it becomes a health-boosting elixir. Studies even suggest that hibiscus tea might play a role in lowering blood pressure, offering a sweet relief for your kidneys by reducing the strain on them. Number 6, turmeric tea. Last but certainly not least, this spice, renowned for its dazzling golden hue, comes packed with a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can work wonders for your kidneys. Think of turmeric tea as a shield against kidney inflammation. It doesn't just stop there. Emerging research suggests that it may even play a protective role against kidney diseases. This humble spice, celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine, is like a guardian for your kidneys, standing tall against potential threats. Which herbal tea do you choose for your kidney repair? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and share the video with fellow health freaks. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you soon in the next video.